Welcome back to Headlines. I'm Wes Austin, and these are today's top stories. First up, a federal judge ordered the suspect behind a firebombing of a Missouri Tesla released from federal custody so that he can be treated for a condition. Apparently, his condition requires immediate treatment at a facility far away from flammable vehicles. Then, Chuck Schumer was called out on his 17% favorability rating from a poll right after he slammed Trump's first 100 days based on a poll. So on polling, within 2 minutes, Schumer flipped harder than a Waffle House cook on Adderall. We've got the clip. Next, a Biden appointee judge rules that Border Patrol can't arrest illegal immigrants without a warrant, despite federal law saying that they can. Border Patrol agents have basically been demoted to border suggestion givers. And finally, Jasmine Crockett accidentally explains why illegal immigration is bad without realizing that she's explaining why illegal immigration is bad. Jasmine. Anyway, we've got the clip. It was like watching someone argue with a mirror and lose. Okay, let's dive in. A federal judge has ordered the release of the suspect accused of firebombing a Tesla dealership with Molotov cocktails so that he can continue gender-affirming medical treatments. The suspect's attorney argued that he should be released from federal custody because of significant medical and mental health needs. His medical needs include an allergy to jail cells and a severe aversion to consequences. According to court records, he's been diagnosed with autism spectrum disorder, ADHD, depression, and gender dysphoria. So basically, your average college freshman at Harvard.
McIntyre's attorney argued the teen should be released citing serious and ongoing medical needs and treatments that could not or would not be provided while in federal detention. The defense filing says McIntyre is being treated for depression and since March has been receiving gender-affirming care. That care would likely be interrupted or terminated in federal custody.
So, if you're in federal custody and you want to get released, start calling yourself Jessica. I'm sure the judge is right, though, because nothing says low threat to society like a person who has problems with depression and a thing for Molotov cocktails. In a press conference, Chuck Schumer went from polls are the gospel to polls are garbage in under 2 minutes. Here's Schumer talking about polling on Trump's first 100 days.
The polls this week showed Trump has the lowest 100-day approval rating since they started polling 80 years ago, the lowest.
Then, 2 minutes later, a reporter asks Schumer about his low approval rating.
Who hate what Trump is proposing. Yes.
There was a poll out today that has your approval rating lower than any other congressional leader at 17%. Are you concerned that you may be a liability for your party?
Polls come and go. Our party is united.
Yeah, polls come and go, just like Schumer's principles, apparently. The only thing dropping faster than Schumer's approval rating is his belief in the accuracy of approval ratings. Judge Jennifer Thurston, a Biden appointee to the U.S. District in Eastern California, issued an injunction blocking Border Patrol agents from making warrantless arrests of suspected illegal immigrants, despite the fact that federal law explicitly authorizes them to do exactly that. Border agents now have less authority than the teenager checking wristbands at the community pool. They still get uniforms and badges, they just can't do anything. It's like turning them into mall cops with worse jurisdiction. Jasmine Crockett recently posted a video on social media where she proves why she's one of the smartest Democrats in Congress.
As far as I'm concerned, you randomly kidnapping folk and you throwing them out of the country against their civil rights, against their constitutional rights. And frankly, how would they feel if some other country decided that they were going to just start throwing people randomly in our country? Like that is absolutely insane.
I've never seen someone so confidently roast themselves. It's like watching someone argue with themselves in a mirror and they lost somehow. Yes, Jasmine, we'd have a real problem on our hands if a country decided that they were just going to start throwing people randomly into our country. If you ever needed a metaphor for how clueless Democrats are on illegal immigration, Jasmine just gift-wrapped it. I haven't seen someone this out of touch since my grandpa printed out his Facebook page to show me his new profile picture. Thanks for watching Headlines. I'm Wes Austin. Good night.